Okay, we should be live, I think. Yes, yes, yes. Very nice.
This empty heart runs past you time and again.
Okay.
I'm sorry that I can't be any help to you.
Yeah,
I wish I could,
here.
but more I wish that you understood
Oop,
that
uh,
even now
here.
your pride won't let me share your pain. I'll live on and leave all of this fear
Okay.
far behind me. I'll get back on the track, oh, without looking back on this lonely rail.
Then what do you have today? I think I'm very close to it. I think I'm very, very close to finally being able to get also pressure and tilt. I found something, move the mic a bit. Cursor here. This here, Kubi TD. It's a tablet driver, by Kubi. Cube. Yeah, one of those names. Hiya, come on. Nice seeing you. Yes, a tablet driver by Kubi. It's also based on vMulti. And what I've basically just done now is yeah, there we have it. What I've basically done is I took the vMulti driver and just installed it. Have fun, gonna lurk. Okay, you have fun too. Thanks for the lurking. Yeah, I have no pen tablet HD. This is vMulti. I've tried communicating with the driver in C, though that doesn't really work. Hi B. Yo yo. Yo. So yeah. I've tried communicating with the multi-driver in C, but it doesn't really work. I don't know why. Just weird. But yeah, so I'm just doing it in Python now because I found this solution in Python. And it basically works over the PyWin USB library package module. All the same names. But yeah, and here, let me comments. Have you got around the FPS cap thing? Not yet. To do that, I will. To get around the FPS cap, I need to capture the inputs on the tablet. Which I can do, but I cannot. So, what there is on Android is called the on-touch listener. This on-touch listener, the events will get captured faster, but the on-touch listener makes it so that all the calculations, like everything is updated only at screen refresh rate. So I need to get around this. I have one angle how to approach this already. And if I also have that angle, you, for example, will not have to... got a Windows sounds again. You will not have to also download ADB, which is currently a requirement, because if we go here, here's OS system, I run two ADB commands. Yeah, and I have two ADB commands that I need to run to get this to work. Yeah. I wanna have it run without those. But for that I need to develop an Android app. um, convert text numbers to base 10. Convert strings to tools. Okay. And currently the code here on the left is mine. This multi-device handler is what I copied from that other repository. Yeah. And now it's basically hoping that this will kind of work. What I also have to do is I will have to take this. Make another function here. Basically the one where, yeah, this is where the data gets parsed into report parse and then split up like this. But yeah, I will not need that, so I can just do send multi-report. The Welcome can be deleted because it's not welcome anymore. Yeah, these. But yeah, I can close that. Is there a reason as to why latency also gets affected by rich menus? I think it's mostly, I don't quite know, because the polling rate is the same. It might be because on this pen, on the XP pen stylus, it doesn't capture touch events all the time, like when it's on, or only sometimes. That I don't quite understand right now. Or maybe it's just something perceived. Like something just in my head. Yeah. I will have to see about it. Yeah. Yeah. Happens. Yeah, in the last stream I had a song, and then of course that whole stream got just shut down, and I hadn't taken a look on like hadn't taken a look at it until now. So fun. Yeah, otherwise that stream would probably also have gotten a couple views. Okay. Yes. When the streams disappear, it's always because of the stupid copyright reasons. I'm gonna rename proximity to distance. Pointer, I don't know what pointer means. Buttons and button flag, I will for now leave out. What is the pressure at let me
Such a beautiful day, the sun's shining in a beautiful way, gonna take a shower, brush my teeth, then life is ultimately meaningless, but I'll get out of the house, get on the road, top down, hands out on my favorite song, and nod to the rhythm. Planet's being destroyed by
here pressure offset So pressure is just pressure, so that line can go. Pressure that zone. So pressure just stays pressure. Flag 0 if pointer or button flag. That I don't know right now. Is pressure zone. Button. Yeah, this part I currently don't understand. With pointer or button flag. Flag. What is this operator? Okay. If distance check if the distance variable is set to true, then Python a non-zero number. Okay, okay. Bitwise OR operation. Flags an integer variable, yes. 0x10 is a hexadecimal representation of the number 16. Converts the hexadecimal number into. Wait, so then why is it even written like this? It could just do 16. Okay, weird. Performs a bitwise OR operation between flags and 16. The bitwise OR operations set a bit to 1 if you go. What? Okay, that is just very confusing. I don't know why this is happening at all. That is a that just to plus X. I don't know. Wait, this. If it sets the fourth bit of. Somewhere supposed to check it sets the fourth bit from the right of the integer variable flag to 1 is because the binary representation 0001000 means the fourth bit. Okay, that is very confusing. What? Why is the fourth bit set to 1? Because the number let me the distance value has 256 values. That is an 8-bit number. That is 8 bits. But also this is okay, then let's just have distance as 0 for now. And FF performs a bitwise AND operation between position X and FF. FF, the explicit representation of the decimal number 5. Yeah, I don't know how big. And the bitwise AND is the lower XF. Right. You know what? Wait. Oh! This sets different flags. Now I understand. It sets the flag for if the pen is on the screen or not. Oh, now I get it. And if there is distance, it sets it to oh! It sets it from 1 to 16 instead. If that bit is then okay, so this is it sets certain flags. So the flag is basically also a hexadecimal number. At beginning it's 0, and if there is pointer or button flag, what tablet is that? This is a Samsung Tab S7 FE. Also, hello breadless. Breadles or breadless? Nice to see you. Okay, so this is a flag for if the pointer is on, and then this is the flag for if it's above it and just hovering. Okay. Breadles. Breadles, okay. Okay, and then just it sets the flags in report number 3. Okay, what is report 4 and 5 now? Because the bitwise AND operation is confusing. The result is 9 to the 5th element of the report list array. Bitwise AND. Wait. I have no experience in game dev, so I have no idea what's going on. This isn't really game dev, it's so yeah. Or just like development. I don't have much experience either, that's why I'm a little confused right now. But what I want to do is what I'm currently able to do, let me here, if we get this and I do ADB shall get event L def input event 11. Wait, what? Ah, there we go. Looking at code, you're trying to customize the tablet driver. I rewrite the title. Oh, good. Oh, Oh, well, I have a driver. It's a virtual driver, which makes a virtual HID, human interface device. And now I'm trying to send these things here, for example, ABS distance, ABS Y and X, tilt, button presses. I want to send this to the computer from the tablet. I already have it on the computer, but now what I need to do is make Windows recognize, oh hey, this is input that I need to use to move the cursor and stuff. I already have like this, for example, set cursor position, so I can already just move the cursor, but what I currently don't have is support for pressure, how hard I'm pressing, and for tilt. So that is why I'm currently working with drivers. And it's this code on the left here, it's code from another repository which uses old Wacom tablets from like Windows XP and earlier era with like serial interface, not even USB, but serial COM interfaces. And it also just reads the data from them and then puts them or sends them to the driver, and then that's like it just sends it all. And so currently I'm trying to make it work. So trying to turn your Android tablet into an actual drawing tablet that you can use for OSU or drawing. Yes. Yes. And there are solutions like that. For example, Super Display or Virtual Tablet are solutions that you can use. I've tried both. Both didn't work for me. And the biggest thing, they work only at 60 Hz polling rate. But a tablet like this, with a pen, if it has like Wacom EMR, has a polling rate of over 300 Hz, which makes it would make for a very smooth experience. Yeah, that's why I'm making my own solution, because I want those big numbers. Oh, Baran Sanko. Yo, sup, how's the driver work going? Better than expected, actually. Better than expected. I found, so currently I'm using vMulti. Do I still have the device manager open now? The data manager. We go here. Currently, here, pen tablet HID. This is vMulti. I just installed vMulti just normally. 60 Hz scan rate is just painful, especially on a device where you see the input. Yes, a little bit painful in terms of latency and input service. Yes, that like if you draw on an Android tablet, it is bad, kinda. Like it reads it faster, but it only updates at the screen refresh rate. So in this case, 60 Hz on my phone, which I'm currently using to record here, it would be 120 Hz because the phone screen is 120 Hz. But yeah. Oh, I'm talking. But yeah, on tablets drawing is always really high latency. It's so annoying. If I use like a drawing tablet on Windows, it's so much faster. Or it might just also be like might be limitations of Android. My thought is just to implement scanning asynchronously on another thread. Yes, though because what Android is using is called an on-touch, the on-touch listener. That's an Android thing that it has, that you use like when you program with Android. But that thing, as I said, only runs at screen refresh rate. Or like updates stuff. I need to drink something. Also, by thinking about all of this, I thought of something even funnier. My mouse is annoying. When I play Osu with it, it drifts up and drifts to the left sometimes. So I play Osu and then I just move more and more to the left or more and more up, and then at some point there's my keyboard or the mousepad ends. What if you had a mouse that worked like a pen? What if you had a mouse that worked like a pen with a coil and a coil here to do position? The deskpad. Why is everyone talking about that? Like, I get so many comments about this goddamn mousepad. Why do... I still don't understand it. It's also when I show a picture of my setup or something, people always comment on this mousepad. And to that you need to implement new sensors, reprogram the firmware to use it and report the data. Yeah, brothers, it's complicated, but it's a funny it's a funny idea. Barcom actually had a product like that, because it's Overthing? Overwatch, you mean? Barcom, if you could find it, it would be funny. But yeah, a mouse with EMR technology. And that's cool. Okay, let me actually look. What the hell is the hexadecimal decimal numbers? Right. First end operation expects the upper 8 bits most significant. Shifts the result 8 bits to the right, effectively moving the upper 8 bits to the lower 8-bit position. The result. Okay, wow. I gotta head back to the grind now. Nice talking. Thank you. Hope whatever you're doing is also working well. Maybe see you around, brothers. Okay, so this bitwise operation here is as it should be. I don't know why the position is split up into report 4 and 5, but well, I will see. You could also make a custom mouse with your Raspberry Pi. Yes I could. Though Raspberry Pi programming is then another thing. And then I would also either need the USB interface or would use the GPIO pins and well. I don't know if you got the link, it's called the Wacom Bamboo Fan. The mouse on there works with EMR. I know. It didn't show any link in the chat, not that I could see, but Wacom Bamboo Fan. Okay. A mouse? The cordless mouse is similar to pen and works only over the active area of the tablet. Interesting. But yeah, it's probably just like a sensor. YouTube probably filled it. Yeah, probably. But yeah, I found it. It is interesting. And it seems to be like a very old one. And for some reason it's on Amazon. Okay, it's not available. It's not available. But yeah, then these positions are how they should be apparently. Then these blacks are how they should be, pressure, as most ones are not implemented yet. Yeah, it is pretty old. Yeah, if you just look at it. Barcom max pressure. In this case it would be 4095. Wait, if let me calculate. If we have, let's say, 224 pressure divided by 495 and then multiply it by 18191. Okay, we do get pressure levels out of it. Ah, okay, so wait, no, but I think I need to work with actually higher than that, because the current driver that I have, as far as I know, let me check actually. Oh god, I have so many things open. Here, release notes, 16K pressure resolution. Right. Okay, so... Okay, so I will need 16383, actually. 16383, because that's what vMulti works with. Integer, instance integer. Scale pressure, yeah, I'll probably leave that. Because this basically transforms it to... I could just do it times 4, basically. Yeah. Anyway, I'll leave it at this for now. Yes. Pressure, yes, yes. Okay. And then set raw data and then end it. Yeah, yes, that also this gets report, parses it, and then sends it. Okay, then while we get it, we parse it. But instead of report, let's do right, like this. Okay. Python is funny, you can just do something like this. And like, it works. Then all of those are... Wait, tilt? What about tilt? Oh, interesting. This doesn't support tilt. So we first have... Yeah, vMulti device report. Distance. Pointer. What is pointer in this? Wait, on the pointer checks if pointer, so let's just set pointer to 0. Pointer equal 0. X, Y, buttons 0, button flag 0, pressure. I can just also type 0 like this. Pretty sure Stupid Style Notion did also not support a tilde, at least in Krita. Don't know. I actually tried Super Display yesterday. It crashed several times. Very fun experience. Okay, so because if we have I was scrolling past it, the pointer and button flag is 0. We do have pressure if bool buttons and then this flag gets set. Oh, buttons is also... Oh, buttons is... Why is this not just written as 1? Why is this written as an AND? Why is this not just written as if buttons? Okay. Button flag. Okay. I don't like Super Display, but it like lands itself on the Windows startup. There's no way to disable it other than installing it, and also my PC lags a lot in Super Display. I'm redoing the... I got best results in Virtual... Yeah, I tried Virtual Tablet, it just didn't connect. I can't do Wi-Fi, because the Wi-Fi... It's just a bit weird on my Wi-Fi situation, and cable didn't work. Oh, you're doing redoing the animation. Nice. Hope it turns out better. Maybe? If you take your time and properly analyze everything, maybe? USB for the win. Yeah, USB right now. Well, currently it's USB, but I'm still doing it over a socket. I'm still doing it over a WebSocket. So, yeah. I need to do USB afterwards. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, I should have. Let me get rid of the print statements. Right, because it's also... Okay. Now, again. Okay. So, let's do 0 for these and button and press. Button equal press equal oh. Distance. Okay, so that error shouldn't appear now. Well. What? So, that pressure is 1 for some reason, tilt 0, distance 6, button 4, rest true. Our instinct report 0 more. Okay, somewhere it's hanging. It got into... There should not be a... Again? What? How? This console. Report system. Debug code is one of my least favorite things. Okay, this works, but I cannot like do arrow up or something. Nothing's happening. Light charm. No, light charm. I can debug there better. VS Code. I know, for some reason, like, it thinks I always want to have this wide of a thing. Like, I can hear my, like, computer fan just, like, ramping up as, I'm loading this. Oh, because... Hmm. Oh, maybe that's where it was? No, that couldn't have been. Yeah. This is in general a little bit better to work with PyCharm. Wow. Because there's not a space. I hate these formatting rules that it's just like throwing errors about everything. Okay, let's run it. Wait, it's moving the Okay, so you see the cursor? okay, did something to it of... okay, okay. So, then... What did I do before? Divided by stylus excellent. That is integer divided by... Okay. Let's rerun it. What? Oh. Then... Let's move this int, like the expected type. Okay. Got tuple. Oh mein Gott. It... Using sculpt mode is easier with the pen. Yes, definitely. Why is this the lead line? Okay. So, right, right, okay, so what I need to do is actually do this. Okay, that's weird. Why did it just... First... Okay, it moves the pen to the top left of the screen at the moment. Hmm. Time dot. Sleep, okay. Let's do 100 every 100 milliseconds. Every 10 milliseconds a minute. Okay, it's not printing anymore for some reason, but it's still. Wait. What? Okay, depending on which screen the cursor's on that screen, the cursor will be put in the top left corner. Interesting. Move line up. What? Move line. Move. This is what I wrote. Alt Umschalt oben. Alt Umschalt oben. Print data. Let like these two lines. I hate like creating a new file. You press Control N. No. Import socket. Yeah. Socket. Probably we go here. Give it quite the data read. Army lair. Are you making driver or something, or what is this? Well, I do have a driver. What I want to do is get the data from the tablet to the computer, and I can do that. Then I'm using a driver called vMulti, which is Virtual Multiple HID driver. And I'm trying to send the data to the driver. But at the moment, I'm unable to send it to the driver in a way. Or, like, just send it to the driver. Because I don't quite understand the sending part. I don't play also in so long, I don't know what these words mean. This has nothing to do with Osu. Well, it is for Osu, but these technical terms don't have anything to do with Osu. But I'm doing it to play Osu, yes. They're just technical terms. Like HID is human interface device. It's basically a keyboard, a mouse, a joystick, a controller. Anything a human can use to interface with the computer. Yeah, and I'm just using that as an excuse for not remembering like anything to do with sockets or and stuff. Got it. But yeah. I can... that is... if I make the buffer size bigger, what will it do? What if I make the buffer size like this? Does it like... Yes, okay. What is one line worth in buffer size? That would be good to know. Let's do 128. I used to know hit stuff, but I forgot because that was traumatic. I can understand it. I was thinking about using Python for like transmitting data to a driver, kind of bad idea. Could limit responsiveness. Python is currently faster for me. So for now I'm doing Python, and later on where is Sea Lion? And later on I can try and see. The thing is, I was trying to connect to the driver in C, but it just isn't gonna work. Sea Lion. So C and C-L-I-O-N. It's an IDE for C, C++. A JetBrains IDE. None of these words make sense to me. I don't use Windows. Ah, got it, okay. JetBrains, they make IDEs. A lot of IDEs. Yes, that Sea Lion. Yes, that one. Okay, that is still too much. Let's see, 64. Wait. 9, so let's try 55. If we try 110, it should always... Okay, so we have our buffer size. Nice. It might be why it was slowing down. Haven't you first used JetBrains once? Okay. I like it. I like the ideas. I also use Python. Visual Studio Code. I've used a little bit of Visual Studio though. Are you one of the Vim people or Emacs people? But yeah, 55. The buffer size. I'm Emacs. Okay. I haven't encountered many of that type. With default keys too, by the way. I learned it. What? Okay, it's now it's getting wild. Now it's getting wild. For an X, okay. Let me go here. Let's do buffer size 55. The only annoying thing about JetBrains is it's like constantly like saying, "Oh hey, there's some it does like if you don't have a new line at like not at F11, oh F12 is also here for example if you have no new line at end of file. Oh, she got me in the time when I was first looking into alternatives to VS Code, what I used then, and I just used it. Okay, interesting. I just want a way to type a text with pretty colors. Yeah, I understand. Focus. This one. This is more just a text editor. Control Shift O. Yes. User XD programming Android Python. This one is also quite nice. You can like this text editor looks so nice. I hate IDEs, the constant complaining. Yeah. The thing is, the IDEs that we don't complain about, the IDEs that we don't complain about are the ones that we don't use. So, yeah. What was this? CVCFC and to move, they're awful. Once you don't use it. Okay. Like Helix and... Okay, interesting. But yeah, this one is called Focus, and the thing is also... It feels so responsive. Like, you type letters and they appear. Here, like you type a letter here and it feels like it takes a moment. You do it here and it feels much quicker. And you can make your own themes. Like, I really like this theme because it just looks neat. Bro found out about non-bloated editors. Yes. The sad thing is it's just a text editor, not an IDE, so it doesn't have as many nice features. But yeah. What did I want to do? Oh god. Right, so now that I have, let's put buffer size 55. Oh god. Okay, I think if I have a buffer size that's... Wait. What? Okay. What? What just happened? I'm so confused. That's clean. That doesn't work on OpenBSD, not in... Okay. The more I like hear from you, it's like, oh, okay. OpenBSD, sure. I'm just Windows. I like Windows. Well, I don't like Windows, but I like Linux less. What is that's okay, so it was because of the delay that I had. Yeah, currently the problem is that it's just like moving the cursor in the upper left corner. As far as I know, this should make it to screen coordinates, or well, some screen coordinates at least. The thing is, like, even if I had like fast IDEs or just text editors, my brain isn't fast enough for them. Like, I'm not typing fast enough to utilize those, or like coding fast enough to utilize them. Okay. I'm confused right now. Because I need... if I have too large of a buffer, I'm just gonna get garbage data. Because most of it, like, distance... Okay, distance is most of the time there. But yeah, for example, digi up isn't always... I don't know how... Does it always end with a... Okay, it always ends with a SYN report. So instead of doing a buffer size, I could try and cut it read until I have a SYN report and then send it. That won't fix this issue where the cursor is somewhere, or maybe it might fix one of the issues, because all of these are getting... Wait, but between these SYN reports there was this, and then... this is so confusing. How would I do that? And I would have to check for ABSX and ABSY and then for a SYN report at the end. As far as I know, ABX is always sent before AB... Okay, no. Alright. Clear. Let's just... Okay. Sometimes there's no... In this last one there wasn't ABY. Oh. Yes. Here. We also have tilt now. And now we only have an ABX. Why is there sometimes only ABX signals? If it's not moving. Yeah, or if it's like moving just like too little, then there is no ABX or ABY signal. ABS. Hmm. Yeah. And then if I take the pen up, there's always pin report without any. So I'd have to look for either an ABS-X, ABS-Y, or a... But here there's also ABS. This means at the end. Okay, so it would be an ABS distance signal. 0, 0. Or just complete zeros. And then the end would always be a spin report. Okay. So yeah, I'll just do a while true for now. Data equal none. Decode. Ah yeah, this code. Unreachable, doesn't matter right now. Okay, let me just write it. If ABS X, ABS Y, or spin, or ABS distance 0, signal. Let's go, it's gotten to the point where shader compilation takes minutes. Right, did it take longer before or shorter? That would be the good to know. If I start collecting data, if sin report stop collecting data and send to driver. If done, some parameters are not in the data, keep previous values of those parameters. Then I'd have the cars instead of in a function directly in here. That'd probably be better. Or would better to write. No, not yes, this or yes, because here I always I could just take the option. Could just take this and just also put it here. Yes, okay. Shorter, like in this. Okay. Okay. So I would do this and if Xnet or climate or distance match. Oh. No. And then there would be looking for this, like these patterns with regex inside of data. And then we're just also gonna do report. Wait. Or okay, I need to take a short break. I'll be right back. Nee, ach, warte mal. Hello. Okay. Can I be able to do this? I should be able to do this. Sport bottle here, there. Okay. So this is the report. Right. Yeah, I'm not even using it right now. Right. Yeah. The weird thing is, it's like this report is 65 entries big, but we only use 10. But I should probably just make this closer to the... They just send us the classroom that we are in for the third year, and it's top of the building. So that's going to be warm. And just yeah, take these and put them right here with it. The flag report, I'll just leave flags at 0 right now. Flags equal 0. Port 3 equal flags. Port 4. Port. Right now. You report. And the report 6. Yeah. Hmm. This is wait. 8.9. Yeah, this for now gets commented out. Then report, return report. Uh, unexpected. I don't care. What? Hmm? There. Why does it? What? Open, open, close, close. Unpaired. Seems to be missing. No? Errors are so annoying. Oh, warning. No more Godot and Blender all day. Vacation is ending on next Monday. Ah, sad. Yeah. Like all day Blender and Godot. That's something. Quite something. Why do you care? Also, wait, distance? Ah, okay. Mhm. Point is 0. Right. Brain. Damn it. Right, right. I think I'm just gonna ask the person who made this thing for some details. This then. Wait, no, this is the descent. Oh. And the power state, I did it wrong. Oh. Taste of. Yes, Why did you think that would work? Why did you think it wouldn't lag? But you know what? I think currently I'm at my wit's end with this one. I'm gonna stop for the day. And I do want to continue tomorrow. After that I got work again. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so for now, thanks for joining in. I had a lot of fun chatting with you guys. And yeah, I'll be heading off. I hope you had fun. See you tomorrow. Bye.